Freya. Hail Freya. Hail Freya. Freya, daughter, mother, sister, grandmother, bringer of life, bringer of beauty and grace, lady of the Vanir, goddess of the arts. I call thee to be here now, to descend upon me this day, your day, Freya's day. Hail Freya, hail Freya, hail Freya. Freya, 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 goddess of love and beauty. Freya, 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 goddess of lust and fertility, goddess of love and goddess of death, a goddess of Hail Freya, I come before you this day and I ask that your presence be felt. I ask that you fill me with your energies to help aid this earth, to help bring life, to help bring nurturing to our animals, to our people, to our lands. I ask the power from you to come through me into this world. I seek you, O Lady of the Vanir, O Volva, be with us, be with me, be with this world. We call you, I call you, be with me this day, O Lady, Lady of my heart I give my service to you. Hail Freya, thank you for all you do. Thank you for your power. Thank you for everything that you give us. All the wisdom and the learning. All the powers from within. You teach us through your stories. You teach us through your powers. Aid us in our abilities and aid me in my path. I give you this offering today. Please accept, O Lady of the Vineyard. Please accept. And also, I give you this drink. I hope you will accept these offerings. I give you my praise and my worship. I give you my love and my honour. And I bow to thee today. Freya, goddess of my heart, be with me and set me apart. Help me be the one to bring through your message. No doom, no glum, we walk a path. Help me to find those who need help. Come back to us, O gracious goddess. Come back to this world. We call you, your servants, we call you. Hail, Freya. Hail, Freya. From above as below, to the east, to the south, to the west, and to the north. Earth, air, fire and water, burn within. Do not falter. Aid us in our spell this day to heal this world of mud and decay. Heal us all about and bring us what is meant from above. Hail and farewell. Hail and farewell. So let it be. Hi everyone. That was just an example of what I do. I do this on a Friday, part of my pathway, and it may look really silly, or you may find something from it, but I just wanted to share how I give my offerings to Freya, how I talk to her, and how I worship. I know my voice is probably pretty naff, but it doesn't matter. It's not about how you sound. It's about the intent. It's about what's within, what you're trying to get out, to bring that energy about, and to make sure that, you know, that the power comes through. So I hope it helped. This is just one of a few that I'm going to do. Silly things, but things that I find help me on my pathway. So I hope you enjoyed that little snippet. It's not very much, but you know, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep putting stuff up, and hopefully, guys, you'll get something from it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click the share. Yeah, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Take care.